Declaring Sowore wanted, illegal court award activist 13 million naira. Welcome back to Royal Media. Thanks for always being here. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is the channel that brings to you verified news. Sometimes November 3rd, 2025, the Commissioner of Police declared Sowore wanted. My people, let's listen to the detail of the story. The Federal High Court in Lagos on Friday declared that the Nigerian police acted illegally by designating human rights activist and Sahara Reporters publisher Omoyole Sowore a wanted person in 2025. Justice Musa Kakaki awarded 30 million naira in damages against the Nigerian police force, the Inspector General of Police Kayode Egbetokun and the Lagos State Commissioner of Police Moshood Jimoh for unlawfully pronouncing Sowore wanted. According to the details of the judgment shared by Sowore's counsel, the court held that no Nigerian can be criminalized for speaking, protesting, or holding the government accountable. Jimoh had on November 3rd, 2025, publicly declared Sowore wanted for allegedly attempting to lead a protest on the Third Mainland Bridge over the demolition of poor settlement in Oworoshoki, Lagos. Earlier in October 2025, the police commissioner had also ordered the activists and former presidential candidate to stay away from Lagos. Dissatisfied with the pronouncement, Sowore instituted a suit against the commissioner, the IGP, and the police. In the suit, he sought enforcement of his fundamental rights to dignity, liberty, freedom of movement, expression, and peaceful assembly as guaranteed under the Nigerian Constitution and the African Chapter on Human and People's Rights. In an affidavit, Sowore maintained that the police declared him wanted without prior invitation, warranty, or formal charges. Though his team of lawyers led by Tokpe Temikun had argued that the action damages his reputation and impairs his constitutional rights, he added that he would have honored an unlawful invitation extended to him. Sowore prayed the court to restrain the police from harassing, intimidating, or arresting him and to set aside the declaration. He also sought 500 million naira in general and exemplary damages. The police opposed the suit, insisting that Jimoh had the authority to declare Sowore wanted. Speaking on Channels Television's Sunrise Daily on November 5th, 2025, Jimoh said the declaration remained in force and alleged that Sowore failed to report to the State Criminal Investigation Department in Yaba as agreed by his lawyer. My declaration that Sowore is wanted is still in force, he said at the time. He also dismissed allegations that the IGP ordered Sowore to be shot on sight, describing the claim as misinformation. Delivering judgment, Justice Kaka Aka condemned what he described as lawlessness on the part of the police commissioner and had the IGP accountable for the misconduct. The court ruled that the permission of a court of law is required before a citizen can be declared wanted. Tracing the evolution of the law, the judge held that such a declaration must follow the issuance of a warrant, proper notice, and prove that the individual is evading lawful process. Only then, he said, can a court grant approval for such action. He declared Jimoh's October 27, 2025 warning ordering Sowore to stay away from Lagos as arbitrary, unconstitutional, and beyond police power. The public declaration of November 3, 2025, designating the activists as wanted, was held to be illegal, ultra-virus, unconstitutional, and a grave abuse of power. Reacting, Sowore counsel Mr. Timokun described the ruling as a loud constitutional warning against the abuse of state power in Nigeria. The misconduct of the Commissioner of Police, Lagos State, attracted judicial condemnation, and the Inspector General of Police, Kayode Egbetoku, was held liable for that improper exercise of authority, he wrote on Facebook. He added, "We salute the courage of the court for standing firmly on the side of justice, liberty, and constitutional governance." My people, what's your take on this? Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. We appreciate you as you listen.